Hey friends, I welcome you in my channel. By looking at the thumbnail, you must have realized that today's video is for gamers. Are you ready to transform your PlayStation? So today we are unboxing and testing the Zebronics Transformers Pro Wireless Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Powerhouse designed for a pro level performance and next level style. Before starting video, I have one request. Please do subscribe to our channel. So let's begin with unboxing. So first up, here's our packaging. Sleek, premium and super gamer centric. Right on the box, you will see the Zebronics. The model name is Zeb Transformer Pro. On the back, here are some specifications of keyboard and mouse. Let's quickly open it up. Inside the box, we get this wireless gaming keyboard. As you can see, it comes with nice packaging and a wireless mouse. So here's our wireless gaming keyboard. What a gaming mouse. Look at the finish, guys. And one charging cable, because yes, it's a rechargeable too. And we got a USB receiver also. Both keyboard and mouse feels very solid, bold and stylish right off the box. About its design and build quality, this is not a normal keyboard, guys. This is the well finished aluminum plated body. This keyboard comes in white color and the keyboard has a backlighting LED lights. You can just select modes from the 4 available modes, and it has integrated multimedia keys with LED modes. Windows keys enable disable function. All keys enable disable functions. It has 3 brightness levels, built-in rechargeable battery. It has 104 keys, and you can see the build quality, guys. On the back, a 2-step stand to enhance the comfortability. You can see. This mouse is a complete gaming mouse. Look at the finish. It has right click, left click, scroll wheel, and here's the 2 side buttons. And you can see here's the Type-C port for charging. Pro mouse, advanced optical sensor. This mouse offers a great performance with its 1600 and up to 4000 dpi. Just plug and play. These features makes working experience more convenient, guys. Here are the full specifications of the Zebronics Transformer Pro Combo. This keyboard and mouse is a wireless 2.4 GHz technology with DPI levels up to 4000, and the keyboard consists of rainbow RGB backlighting. Now let's test it out, guys, this both keyboard and mouse. So first I will type something here. You can see typing feels like tactile and clicky, not too loud, not too soft. Keys response is quick, great for gaming and productivity, guys. The mouse also performing very quick with its DPI shift with the button on the top. You can see, guys, very responsive mouse. It has very smooth tracking. Yeah, very responsive mouse. So we have tested these both keyboard and mouse with games and no input lags at all. We have seen these RGB lights add the gamer's vibe, look awesome in the dark. Wireless connection is strong, works up to 10 meters without drops. So lastly, this premium gaming keyboard and mouse comes of rupees 400 to 1500. So it is under budgetable, so every gamers who wants the wireless keyboard and mouse can afford this. So hope you like this video, guys. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite features from this combo, and if you like this review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome and unboxing real world gadget tests.